Hello everybody, today you're gonna learn what is GitHub Copilot. GitHub Copilot is a new project in closed beta on the date of this video that acts like a pair programmer. It's essentially an artificial intelligence that will suggest entire functions to complete code started by the programmer. These suggestions come from many open projects available at GitHub. So basically, the Copilot has analyzed and learned over the years, and now it will help developers with this knowledge. The Copilot can be used to get suggestions from entire algorithms as well as test functions. The interesting thing about these suggestions is that the developer can switch between many alternative implementations. So the control is still in the developer's hands. See some examples in the video. The GitHub Copilot can be installed through an extension for Visual Studio Code or using GitHub Codespaces. But since it's not generally available yet, you can use it only if you are part of the group that have access to. The project works with all languages, but in the current state works better with Python, JavaScript, TypeScript, Ruby, and Go. If you're interested in know more about it, access copilot.github.com. You can sign up to join the wait list. See you in the next video.